Hi everyone. Today I just try to explain how I use the RSI. I am focusing on top two windows. That's a 5-second chart, and RSI is shown at the bottom of each window. Currently, RSI on the 5-second chart is basically crawling near the bottom, the red limit, 30% limit. And my setup of RSI is the 25 periods with 70% and 30%, as you can see. And right now, it's still in the middle of the RSI band, so it is not recommended to opening the position yet, because when candle is swimming in the middle of the RSI means it's undecided. That means it can go either direction at any time. So there's no point of opening the position yet. So I'm just waiting for the candle to reach either RSI limit, 70% or 30%. Until then, I refrain from opening the position. Now it came down, so I'm opening the position now for the call from the reversal from the bottom to the top. However, when RSI reached the limit line, does not mean it's going to reverse at that very moment. It may still keep growing to the original direction. That's why I nested one more position in this instance. Now the candle is coming back down again with the red, and currently it's undecided. It can go either way. And now basically what's happening now is reversing back up again for the green, and then came down, but now this is hitting the bottom RSI, so it's gonna go up again. And I'm following it up on the right top window for the same direction. So this is a matter of the expiry time. So it went once, twice, 3 times back and forth, and finally the third reversal worked, and I won that option. But now on the top right window, my original position became in the middle of the RSI, so it is undecided. Falls down, but now red candle is approaching the bottom. When I say bottom, means bottom of the RSI, and right now undecided. If it falls down to the bottom of the RSI, it's going to reverse. Right now it is completely undecided, and there's no point of adding any extra position in this situation, and just you have to let it go. Okay, it has been quite a while swimming in the middle of the RSI. Okay, now it reached the top RSI, so I'm going for the put, another reversal from the top to the bottom. However, as I mentioned, RSI, a candle reaching the top or bottom RSI does not necessarily guarantee immediate reversal. It may take another 30 seconds or minutes to reverse. That's why I'm keep nesting at the top of the candle, because it will reverse, but we just don't know when. So as this green candle grew, I'm adding more positions at the highest position. So this way you can still win without the position for the previous lower positions. So I'm just playing at the very top of the position. And now I'm following it up on the right top window to the same direction, because it is quite obvious it has reached the top limit for green to grow. So there's nothing else but for the red to fall down at this moment. But anyway, this is a very short one, and I'm not sure you quite understood how I'm using the RSI. It's a guide, but it's very useful to predict how candle will behave in immediate future. Now it's nicely falling down, and also candle is reaching the bottom RSI, so the next direction is from bottom to top. Well, hope it helps, and thanks for watching.